Hello student, I welcome you all in yet another online session. In today's session, we will be discussing the first topic in unit 3, The Night of the Scorpion. Actually, this is a short poem is there and it's a very humorous poem. And with this we are also going to introduce the your unit 3. Before actually starting this poem, we have to consider the warming up activity. Now warming up activity is very essential because it will give the introductions to the content which are already given in the chapter. So here we can see now. So without making any kind of delay, we will try to understand what kind of things are we have to learn in this particular poem. Now the first instruction which is given by the writer is there to get into pairs and discuss the following with the partner and complete the table. Now here downside the table is being given there, right? Two columns are already made here. One is for superstition and second is what it implies, we have already seen here. Now many people are superstitious. Here you can see now many people are superstitious. Now you already know what is the meaning of superstitious. Superstitious means people those who have a blind faith. Such type of people are now known as the superstitious. It means that they have a belief which they have a no logical reason, right? So they are believing in a such a things which is not supported by the any kind of a logical reason. Now the writer has already given an example of superstition here. Walking under a ladder brings bad luck. Now it's very common thing is there. Everybody is walking under the ladder. It doesn't mean that it will bring the bad luck, but it is superstition is there, we have to understand. Now as the table is being given there, we have to write few examples of superstition generally found in our society and what it implies we have to see now. Here one example, smashing a mirror is being given. What it implies? Generally it implies and brings 7 years of bad luck. This one example is given there. Similarly, by considering this superstition and what it implies, you have to write down 4 more examples and its implication. Now I will give you one for you. Just like a very common is there, black cat crosses your path. When the black cat crosses your path, then definitely what it implies, that the work will not be done. Yes. Similarly, another example I want to give you. Generally you see now at the entrance of the house, what we find, some things are hanging there. Which things are hanging there? Lemon, chili, coal, these things are hanging there. Why do the people used to hang such type of things? The people used to hang such type of things because they believe that these things will protect the place or our living place or thing from the evil. So these are the some of the examples that I have given you. Now you have to search some more info or some more examples and write its implication, and with the help of this one you have to complete the table. Now we will turn to the second important is the brainstorm what you know about the scorpion and use the point given below. So look at now, the writer has given few points. We have to write about the scorpion. Scorpion is a very common creature. Everybody of us might have seen this one, and therefore you can describe the scorpion with the help of the following point. Now which points are given there? Their appearance, right? How they attack, where they live, and any more information about them we have to see. Now I will explain one point for you, but remain 3 points you have to do for you have to do at home. So therefore, without making any kind of delay, I will give you the description about the outward appearance of the scorpion. So now scorpion look like a small lobster, and they range in size from 9 centimeter to 21 centimeter. They are in many different colors, mostly being black all the way to the light greenish shade. They have a small head, two pincers, 8 legs, and a tail with the venom injecting valve. The bodies are covered with the hard and durable exoskeleton, and the head has two eyes on the top and two or five and lateral eyes along each side. They don't have ears and nostrils too. So this is the outward appearance of the scorpion we can meet. Similarly, you have to give the explanation of the remain points, just like how they attack, where they live, and if any additional information, more information if you have. I hope these activities you will complete, and you will also complete the given assignment. Thank you.